I blinked awake in 2030 on a neon-drenched Dubai street where digital billboards screamed, $1 million milestone hit, and the address glowing at the top wasn't Bitcoin, wasn't Ethereum, but a chubby purple hippo wearing a crown. The same meme we once screenshotted as a joke, and my future self slid a frosted glass phone into my hand, whispering, "Copy this wallet now, before the snapshot resets." Then dragged me through a bustling souk where vendors accepted that Hippo Coin for gold, coffee, even Visa extensions, proving it wasn't vaporware, but the native gas of an entire city blockchain called Nile Chain. Inside a Skybridge office overlooking the Burj Khalifa, analysts in AR monocles showed me the tokenomics. 97% of supply burned in 2027 by an AI-governed DAO that bought and destroyed coins every time someone streamed a conservation video, turning viral animal content into literal deflation. The circulating float was so small that when the last celebrity tweeted a hippo emoji, price algos ripped from $0.0008 to $1.02 million per coin in 42 seconds, liquidating every short position on chain and minting 3,000 new millionaires who had forgotten they once airdropped $20 worth for filling a survey. My future self opened the Genesis wallet, the very first receive address, and the QR code was identical to the paper wallet I printed in 2025 and stuffed in a drawer as a gag gift. He grinned, "You laughed," they hodled. While the balance column pulsed one hippo equals $1 million USD, meaning the dusty envelope next to my old PlayStation is now a 7-figure lottery ticket waiting to be discovered. We teleported to a rooftop party where influencers toasted on hoverdecks, each wearing hippo-shaped LED pendants that doubled as cold storage ledgers. One girl revealed she paid her med school loans by staking her coins inside conservation NFTs that fund anti-poaching drones, turning philanthropy into yield farming. The dark twist came when he showed me the 2029 crash rewind. Exchanges delisted meme coins overnight. Regulators demanded KYC on animal logos, and the price plunged 96% in 4 hours, wiping out late adopters who bought the top with mortgages. Only wallets that delegated voting power to the AI DAO survived because the protocol auto-paused trading and rerouted Treasury to buy back dips, proving decentralized governance can shield holders if they participate instead of speculate. With midnight ticking, he hustled me into a wormhole cafe where baristas mint espresso NFTs, slid a hardware wallet across the table and said, "When you wake up in 2025, fund this address with $100 every payday. Set forget governance on, and no matter how loud the crowd screams rug pull, don't sell until the hippo saves itself." Then the cafe dissolved into white static.